Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at editing door event settings in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the door belongs to. Navigate to the Sites menu option in the top bar. Click on the icon in the Doors column. Then, click the door icon next to the name of the door you wish to edit event settings for. Then, select Event Settings from the left-hand side menu and click Edit. Here, you can choose to use site-level settings by default, or change them to door-specific settings. You can enable or disable certain event types, and this is where you can set their priorities for this door. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it. Your door event settings are now updated. Check out menu options for further door level actions. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description, or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.